Good morning, traders. Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. Here's a brief disclaimer. I'm Richard Miller and I'll be presenting today's AI Traders Live. You can find me on LinkedIn, twitter.com and StockTwits. I do tweet quite a lot on artificial intelligence trading. We're going to look at Peloton today, and we're going to look at 4 different AI strategies applied to the Peloton stock. And for those of you that are new to artificial intelligence trading, the Fulgent AI engine that we use does 10 to the power of 200 different possible stock indicator combinations and relationships. So this is technically a job that you can't do on your own. You really need very strong computing power. And we use genetic algorithms, for example, fuzzy logic neural networks. The artificial intelligence works in this way. Just a quick, high-level description, top of the iceberg type description. Let's say you've got your MACD or technical indicator. You use 2 or 3 of them, and then you would be one of these 2 nodes. But with AI, we can go in, and the AI can come back and find high probability trading strategies based on AI. So instead of just having 1 or 2 technical indicators that you constantly trade, you now have a few more that's generated by artificial intelligence, which is normally not something you would have picked up in your backtesting analysis. And for the purposes of the presentation, we use these 4 strategies: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now these 4 strategies cater for different type trading styles, and you'll see on the charts when we look at Peloton in a minute. So I'm going to jump straight into the artificial intelligence platform. I've got the Metastock platform open, the Fulgent engine running in the background, and I've got Peloton's stock price on here. PTON is the ticker. Now if we go back and we scroll back, we can see we've had tremendous amount of fantastic trades here. Back here in March and April, gave a nice huge move there. The stop loss was put in there, trailing stop loss. Another quick move back here in July, a huge volatility breakout. These are fantastic moves to trade with options or CFD, contract for differences. The AI put the stop loss in there, so for most of August and September you got a nice rally out of Peloton. And then there's a little bit of volatility breakout once again, another one volatility breakout, and now we have captured a huge move, and now the AI has generated a trailing stop. And if I go into the 4-hour chart, I can see where these trailing stops are. So you can see, let me just see for the hourly one. Hold on, let me just see for hourly trade. So you can see the latest swing trade's got a trailing stop here at 140 swing trade, and now it's just moved up with a new price action there. There's 148 is a new stop loss. So looking at the 4-hour chart, in the hourly one, daily one, we can see there that the stop loss is at this blue level there, a new stop loss updated based on the volatility breakout signal. So far so good for Peloton. It is in a sideways moving pattern. It will be interesting to see if it can continue its rally upwards, but do keep the trailing stop loss in mind, and the AI will move it up as we go along as the rally gets higher. But the target here would be these old highs as the next key resistance level, and this old high here as a support level, and that coincides well with the stop loss generated by the AI. So we had the volatility breakout, which is a nice aggressive strategy to trade. If we go back further to see some of the others, volatility breakout occurs regularly, and that's a fantastic one. Swing trades more for a quick couple of days trade moves, but the volatility breakout is generally one, and the major market reversal is generally one that can carry your trade for quite a long move. Okay, if anybody's interested in getting your hands on your own AI, you can just follow these links: metastock.com/alphaharvest 3 for 1, where you can get 3 months of the price of 1 on the Metastock platform as well as the AI platform. And if you already have Metastock, you can go to metastock.com/alphaharvestf. Be sure to mention the promo code for the great deal on the Fulgent AI. But overall, fantastic trades generated by AI, purely AI. All we need to do is just execute accordingly, and you can have your trailing stop losses as you go along. I'll put the hourly back in here, see how this is going to be. Will be interesting to see how today is going to be. The last swing trade here Captured swing trade. There was another quick move, major reversal there in February as well. End of February, captured a nice move. Will be interesting to see if this is going to continue. The AI swing trade stop loss is now at that level. Let me put that level in there. So back to the daily. So we have an idea as to where the stop levels, loss levels are, and then we have an idea what the upside target is on the daily chart. Until next time, happy AI trading.